In this video, we'll show you how to replace the belt on your Greenworks 20-inch snow thrower. This guide can be followed for all 20-inch battery-operated and corded models. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. The battery should always be removed before performing any maintenance. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required. You will need a T20 Torx screwdriver. Let's get started. Turn the unit onto its side with the belt cover facing up. Remove the skid shoe and grounding plate. Along with the screws holding the belt cover in place. Lift the cover and set aside. If the belt is still intact, remove it by turning the large pulley and firmly pulling the belt upwards until it comes loose. Install the new belt by guiding it into position and firmly pushing it onto the pulley while turning the wheel with your palm. Be advised that often a new belt may feel too small as it has not been worked in yet. Reinstall the belt cover, skid shoes, and grounding plate. Turn the unit upright. Install a battery and turn the unit on to verify that the belt was properly installed. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.